Hi everyone, this is Frank Westphal. I want to show you a trick that I wish I had known about 2 months ago when I went to start my car and this happened. Nothing, but it has full power. The battery's good, the connections are good, I know all that stuff is good. But what's actually happening, and I know now, is that the starter plunger is not moving forward because it is stuck. And all you have to do is this. Locate your starter. In this case, I know where mine is. It's right there. That round cylinder that's actually the starter solenoid, which solenoid is just a fancy word for relay. I'm not the first one to figure this trick out by any means. It's evidently very well known. But when this happened to me, I didn't know it until the next day after I had my car towed, and it would have been way easier to just tap it and drive it away. So everyone should know this. And if you don't know where it is on your car, you can easily Google search it. And once you know where it is, just take something heavy. In this case, I'm using a breaker bar, and tap it. Now we're back in the car. Boom. When that happens, it's just that your starter plunger in the solenoid is just not moving forward to close the circuit to actually give the starter motor a direct connection to the battery. Now, obviously, I'm going to replace this starter, but until I do, when it doesn't start, I just tap it, starts right back up. And real quickly, I want to show you that this is an intermittent issue. So sometimes it starts and sometimes it doesn't. It's running right now, and I'm going to turn it off. Starts right back up.